Welcome to today's video where we will be discussing the inboard diesel transmission, a crucial component of marine propulsion systems. The inboard diesel transmission is a simple yet essential component that transmits power from the engine to the propeller. It operates in a straightforward manner and requires minimal maintenance, making it a reliable and durable choice for marine vessels. The only thing that requires periodic verification in an inboard diesel transmission is the quality of the oil. This is crucial to maintain the performance and longevity of the transmission. The pitch of the propeller can significantly affect the performance of the transmission. Too much axial force on the bearings can cause a lot of noise, which is a common symptom of overpitching the propeller. All diesel engines rotate clockwise, and the inboard diesel transmission has an ER ratio to match the engine's rotation. The transmission also features two clutch packs, which provide smooth shifting and precise control over power output. Additionally, the transmission has a power takeoff (PTO) feature, allowing for other systems to be powered. In contrast, the inboard gas transmission operates slightly differently. All gas engines rotate on the right side, and the transmission has only one clutch pack and one planetary gear. This setup is similar to an automatic transmission, making it user-friendly and easy to operate. In conclusion, the inboard diesel transmission is a simple and reliable component of marine propulsion systems. By periodically verifying the quality of the oil, ensuring proper propeller pitch, and taking care of the clutch packs, you can enjoy a smooth and efficient marine experience. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.